what are some ways I could save a little money on my monthly energy bill?
Besides obvious solutions such as not leaving lights on in unattended rooms and not leaving unused appliances plugged in, there are a number of products available in today's market that can help you save money without leaving a big hole in your wallet. If you haven't already, change all your light bulbs to LED style. They only use a fraction of the power compared to a regular incandescent or halogen bulb, and they aren't ridiculously expensive. Another popular energy saving solution is a dimmer switch. They allow you to change the brightness of a bulb or fixture. The less bright your light is, the less energy it's going to use. My favorite energy saving device is a timer switch. These are commonly used with bathroom fans and can make the difference of having your fan motor on for 5 to 10 minutes as opposed to the usual 30 to 60 minutes. Not only will these mentioned devices save you money, but they will also add a bit of a techie and modern feel to your home. They're also a cool feature to show off to your guests.
Thanks for watching The Marc and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.